when you're doing product research, one of the things you definitely want to make sure of is that you're not going to be competing with other people on Amazon for the exact same customers. Now, oftentimes that's actually pretty difficult to do because you don't know what they're selling. So in this video, I want to give you a very, very simple way to see all the products that your competitors are selling on Amazon. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. That way I will know that you want to see more like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. We post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. With that being said, let me show you this hack. A pretty cool little hack that I don't think many people realize you can do. And it enables you to see at a glance all of a seller's products. So typically when most people go looking for a seller's products, what they end up looking for is that brand's products, but you can actually find all of the seller's brands and all of the seller's products. And in that way, you can then, in this case, we're going to run helium-10 X-ray over it. So you can see what the best-selling things are and get ideas for products, things like that in different niches. Okay, so here's how you do it. Do not even begin to ask me why I'm looking at hats for dogs. I just think it's hilarious. We're actually going to buy a kitten, hopefully today. So this is kind of prescient for that. So here I am on a particular listing, and that is their brand name, Gyogo. Cool. And most people would kind of go here, hopefully that comes up, to go look at what products these people sell. Okay, and that does show you that brand's product range, and so that's one way of doing it, but it doesn't give you much of the picture. So instead, what you want to do is come here where it says sold by, click on that, and now you can either go to their storefront, which is okay, but if you scroll down instead, hello, if you scroll down instead, see all products. Now you can see all the products that this particular seller sells. And look at all these brands they have. Anybody that is uncertain about how they do that under one account. So you can have one Amazon account, multiple different brands within that account, no problem at all, okay? The way you do it is through something called brand registry. Okay, so now we're on all their products. Let's just scroll down a little bit. And what I'm going to do is now I'm going to run helium-10 X-ray over it. Hopefully this comes up. You guys see that? Did it show up on the screen? Somebody just nod their head so I can see it. Thank you for that.
Yep.
And now I get to see all of their products, okay? What's going on with all of their products that they're actually selling, and I can filter it by their sales. And it's interesting that those hats for the dogs is not actually their biggest seller in any way, shape, or form. It's actually one of their least sellers, but still that's a best seller within that particular category. So there's some great ideas here for things to sell. Okay, so if you're looking for some ideas, you're like, what the hell can I sell on Amazon? And you want to get at least a sense of what products are going to sell well, and then start to develop your own version of them, which is something I'm going to talk about in a little while for you too, then this is a great place to start. Really easy way of kind of sussing out what's going on and seeing at least what's going to make this particular person money, so you can create your own version of it. Okay. Hey, thanks so much for watching that. That actually was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. There's 2,500 members in our community. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and also of course come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description below, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.